Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a label in Etsy messages in 2026. Have you accidentally added the wrong label to a message on Etsy? No worries. Here's how to remove it in seconds. Just follow my instructions and follow these steps I'm gonna tell you. So before we start, I'll leave you a quick guide on how to set up your store on the Etsy platform. You're just gonna go and open your web browser, and on the search tab, you're gonna type in Etsy. Once you type Etsy, you're gonna access the website, or you can alternatively download the Etsy application via your mobile device, either from the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And once you open the website or access the app, you're gonna click on your account, and you're gonna see the option becomes a seller. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna click on the shop manager, and you're gonna fill in the information about your store or shop, such as shop preferences, name of your shop, the payment method, the billing infos, etc. Once you finish setting up your store, the first thing you want to do is to log into Etsy. Then you're gonna sign into your seller account. Then click on the shop manager. This is the icon for the shop manager. You're gonna click on it. And after that, you're gonna go to messages. You're gonna select the message, open your inbox, and you're gonna open the conversation and click on the message that has the label you want to remove. For example, you're gonna see all the messages. This is the inbox. So you're gonna see all the messages. So you're gonna open the message that has the label you want to remove. And then you're gonna remove the label. At the top of the conversation, find the active label, then click the label option and simply deselect or remove it. And the label will disappear instantly. So keep your inbox clean, help you track unresolved orders and messages. Improve responses time, which boosts your seller's performance. And that's how you remove a label in Etsy messages quickly and easily. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.